Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about dividing radicals. For our learning target, I can divide radicals. Now let's have our task number 1. So square root of 24x raised to the 4th divided by square root of 3x squared. So in here, so how are we going to solve this particular problem? So let's have our solution. And now, so here we can actually write this given radicals into this one form only. So we're gonna have 24 x raised to the 4th power divided by 3x squared. And then from here, you can find 24 divided by 3, that would be, we'll have 8. And then x raised to the 4th power divided by x squared, so we'll have x squared. Just imagine you are just simply dividing polynomials. Alright, and then after that, let's have factor out 8. So we all know it's equivalent to 4 times 2. You can break this down into 4 times 2, and then we all know x squared can also be breakdown into x times x. All right, and then from here we're gonna have of course we can simplify square root of 4, that would be 2, and then square root of x squared, that would be x. So definitely we're gonna have 2x square root of 2. So for our final answer, so we're going to have 2x square root of 2. So this will be our final answer. So again, it will be 2x square root of 2. Alright, so for our second example, let's write our solution. So same manner a while ago, let's have our 20 square root of 3 divided by 5 square root of 3. So in this scenario, as you can see, we can cancel out. So square root of 3 divided by square root of 3, that would be 1. And then 20 divided by 5, that would be 4. So for our final answer, so we're gonna have, for our final answer, we're gonna have 4. So again, for this item, our final answer would be 4, as easy as that. Now next, for task number 3, let's have our solution again. So here we have square root of 24x cubed. So we have square root of 24x cubed divided by 2x. We're going to write it in one radical sign, just one form, and then let's assume that we are just simply dividing polynomial 24x cubed divided by 2x, and that's gonna be 12x squared. All right, so we do have 12x squared, and now let's simplify. I know we can break down 12, so that's gonna be 4 times 3, and then x squared. So we'll know we can also directly simplify x squared. So square root of x squared, we're gonna have 2. Square root of 4 is 2, and then square root of x squared, that would be x. We're gonna have 2x square root of 3. So for our final answer, okay, so for our final answer, in this item, we're gonna have 2x square root of 3. So again, this is our final answer in this task number 3, 2x square root of 3. Alright, so now let's proceed to our next task. So what's the difference of this task to the previous examples? So well, as you can see, we do have this time we do have different indices. So I would start with rewriting this 3 cube root of a squared divided by fifth root of a. So in my process, I'm gonna make it transform this into exponential form. So I'm gonna have a raised to 2/3 over a raised to 1/5. Alright, now you imagine somewhat like in dividing polynomials, we subtract the exponents, right? So as you can see, we do have same base. So definitely we're gonna have a raised to 2/3 minus 1/5. So using subtraction of fractions, so we're gonna have 2/3 minus 1/5. We're gonna have 15 divided by 3, that would be 5, times 2, that would be 10. 15 divided by 5, that would be 3, times 1, we have 3. So 10 minus 3, we're gonna have 7 over 15. And then that means here we are gonna have, this is equal to a raised to 7 over 15. So in here, let's rewrite this a raised to 7 over 15 into radical again. So this would be for our final answer in here. If in case your teacher would require you to write your answer, final answer in radical form, so you're gonna have 15th root of a raised to 7. So there. So again, 15th root of a raised to 7. So for our final answer, we have this 15th root of a raised to 7. Now for our task number 5, so as you can see, it is still again, we're gonna be dealing with division of radicals having different indices again. So that means we do not have the choice but to extend the additional processes for this. So let's rewrite first cube root of 3 divided by fourth root of 3. So in here, I'm going to rewrite this into its exponential form. So we're gonna have 3 raised to 1/3 divided by 3 raised to 1/4. Now, same manner a while ago, I'm going to subtract 1/3 by 1/4. So I'm gonna have 12 divided by 3, that would be 4 times 1, we have 4, and then 12 divided by 4, we have 3, times 1, we have 3. So that means I'm gonna have 1 over 12. So for my exponent, I'm gonna have here now as 3 raised to 1/3 minus 1/4. So that means I'm gonna have 3 raised to 1 over 12. And then from here, I will rewrite this into exponential form already. Okay, so that means I'm gonna have 12th root of 3 raised to 1, or we just simply write 3. Okay, so that means for our final answer in our 5th task, that would be 12th root of 3. So that's all for this video. I hope you've learned about dividing radicals.